Hey friends, I'm back with another hotel review / room tour. Today we're at the Embassy Suites by Hilton in Springfield, Virginia. We got the 1-bedroom suite with the living room. Here's our little kitchenette area. We had a little table in the middle with 2 chairs. Don't mind all our stuff. We had just walked in and sat down. Here's the little living room area. Super nice and comfy. And then you could enter the bathroom from either the living room side or from the bedroom. That was pretty cool. And y'all, a hotel bathroom is usually what makes or breaks it for me. And this one got all 5 stars. Look at this bathroom, y'all. It was so crisp and clean. The lighting was on point, and it did what it needed to do. And then moving along to the bedroom. Again, super spacious, crisp and clean. Lily had already jumped on the bed. That's why it didn't look like it was, crisp on the sheets part. It was a little wrinkle from her jumping in the bed, but that is okay. Nice closet, nice TV in the room. And then you guys, it smelled so good. A hotel should smell good, but this one was like above and beyond. Even Lily said it smells so good in here. And then my favorite part about the Embassy was the evening reception, 2 free drinks per adult, and the breakfast. The made to order omelet station at breakfast was bomb. Even the hotel lobby was so cute, y'all. I really give this hotel 5 stars. It was incredible. I would definitely stay here again.